All right, we are live. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to the Unconventional Mindset. My name is Odu, and together we are working one day at a time to build ourselves a company that's going to generate us $1 million in revenue every single year. And today we're going to start off kind of where we left off a little bit yesterday, and that is working in Figma and designing our website. And for this one, I should say, maybe more specifically, we want to look at our homepage. And this, of course, is for Pixel Pieces. And this is going to be our Webflow component / template library that we are going to create. And one thing I did yesterday, which I kind of was mentioned by Ninja, he was like, why don't you write the copy first and then design the pages? So I was like, okay, I'll give it a shot. And so what I do have is, let me close a few of these tabs here that I know I don't need. Close that as well. So I have the copy here. I only got as far as the home page, running the copy. I'm going to zoom in on this thing, pressing all kinds of crazy buttons. So we have the copy here. So let's just go over this real quick. We have Pixel Pieces, which is, that's the site. So we have pages. So we're going to have a home page, we're going to have an about page, a components page, templates, pricing, and learn. These ones here, yeah, I guess I'll have people to be able to view them without being logged in. So those are the pages that we're going to have. So I focused on the home page. So the home page, we have our hero section, design and build beautiful Webflow websites. Hero subtitle, Pixel Pieces is your resource for high quality Webflow components and templates so you can build amazing websites fast. And then we go down, that's after the hero section on the homepage. Then we scroll down, don't reinvent the wheel with each new website. Easily cut and paste components or start with our signature minimal template so you can spend less time building and more time growing your business. Then it goes down a little bit. Then there's this kind of 3 feature section. Built for creators like you. With Pixel Pieces, you'll be delivering projects so fast it'll blow your mind. And of course, the idea here is that we really make everything easy. You can cut and paste your components and you never have to reinvent the wheel whenever you're starting a new project. Oftentimes, if you're working with WordPress or other CMS systems, even with Webflow, you're starting from a completely blank canvas. So this way, if you have a template that you can use that's kind of blank or components, it's just all about saving you time and doing things that you want to do, which is make more money. Spend less time building and more time growing your business. Built for creators like you. With Pixel Pieces, you'll be delivering projects so fast. Oh, okay, I got that already. So feature 1, quality, not quantity. We only build the highest quality components, meticulously crafting and testing each one before they are released. I think I've been trying to think about, I've been going over some of the people that are out there right now that have template libraries, and there's lots of them. And a big thing that they all claim, or most of them claim, is that they have thousands of different components, right? We're the world's largest library. Now that's great, but how many different variations of a menu do you need? I don't think you need very many. So what I want to focus in on is the quality of the components that we're building, not so much the quantity, right? And so I've been hearing some reviews, it's kind of hit and miss with the components depending on how you use it. So we're going to make sure we're going to have some kind of standards and guidelines for how we're going to name our CSS, all that kind of stuff. And we are going to make sure that everything is super, super consistent, well tied together and has really the highest quality components that you can have, and templates as well too. So that's feature 1. Feature 2, ridiculously easy. That's for everyone that does this kind of stuff, but it's still a feature. Add any component to your project with a simple cut and paste command right from your dashboard. And then feature 3, fully functional templates. Beautiful handcrafted Webflow templates to launch your next project in record time. And what I think about this is not only is the front end going to be functional, but I'm also thinking about having the back end kind of ready to go as well too. So the CMS is kind of already built. So that way, not just, what the pages are going to look like. So Think of a fully functional, like a membership template or a podcasting template. So have all those things kind of ready to go. So that's what we're going to do with that. So the 3 features, and then you scroll down from the features. Then you have testimonials. How do customers feel after using Pixel pieces, right? And then just testimonials from what the customers are saying. Oh, I saved so much time, saved so much money, blah, 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 right? And then getting down to pricing. And here's another area where I think I could be a differentiator is the pricing model. Everything nowadays is subscription model. And that's what Pixel is right now. But I've kind of forgotten when I was thinking about Pixel in terms of my pricing, how I have it set up, is that I'm trying to think of how I could maximize revenue. But I also need to think about what is true to me. And I hate subscription model. I hate it. I mean, it makes sense from a business standpoint, but I can't stand it. Like all the subscriptions that I pay for things right now are so expensive and it adds up and you end up owning nothing at the end of the day. Remember back in the day when you could buy Adobe, the whole creative suite? Well, I mean, I was a student back in the day, but you could buy it for like $600 and you would have it forever, right? But now I got to pay like $80 US a month just for the privilege of renting it, right? And I'll never own it. So anyways, so all that being said, pay once, membership for life. Remember when you used to pay for something once and you owned it? Those were the good old days. And at Pixel, they're back. So that's the idea that I'm thinking. They're back or they are back, whatever. That's what I'm thinking of how I'm going to do the pricing. So whether it's going to be, $200, $300, $500, I have no idea what the pricing is going to be. But you buy it once and then you get the benefit of everything that we release from like the time you purchase, from the time we started till like forever, till for as long as the company's going to go, right? And then the footer, here's kind of a tagline. I might need to do a little bit better at this, but build beautiful websites fast, right? That's the idea behind Pixel Pieces. So that's it. So that's the content for the homepage. So we're going to take that content. Let me push this off to the side a little bit here. Oh my goodness. And I got to change the font size so I can actually see it. All right. And let's see what we can do. Okay. So there's a few things. Just a note for today. I got some kind of weird, like pain all the way into the side of my ears. I don't know if you've ever worn glasses, but sometimes you get the pressure from, like, I wear glasses. I have contacts right now, but I wear glasses quite often. And sometimes if they're too tight, you can kind of feel some pressure there. So I have this kind of pressure in the back of my head here. It's been on it all day. It's just this kind of low kind of pain here. So I might be a little bit shorter today, depending on how I feel. So just bear with me as we continue on here. Okay, so homepage. Right. So let's look at our hero section here. And let's look at the text. So this is... So it's giving this really weird... What's with this box here? I don't know why the box and the text are different. I'm not sure. Okay, let's put this in. Design and build. Should it be like this? Beautiful Webflow websites. And I can't. Yeah, that's not going to work. Okay, and oh, what did I just do? And pixel. I should be able to cut and paste, right? So what is going on here? Line height is way off here. Let's take these buttons, move them down a little bit. So the question is, what am I going to have here on the side? We're going to have to mess around with colors here as well. And I never know whether text should have a period or not. There's something about H1 that is still bothering me. And I think the fact that it's heavy is what's getting me. And I'd like, it's hard to know. This is percentage, not points. Okay. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. That's what was that was bothering me. Okay, so we're gonna need some kind of graphic here. Like puzzle pieces, or are we just going to show? Let's see if we can download anything that could be a nice placeholder. So let's look at graphics. What would be a good graphic? Oh, puzzle. Okay, not particularly. So what do we have? These are high quality components. So I am not an illustrator at all. Hmm. This is interesting. Design and build. So it's like a person. They're taking pieces. They're dragging it over. They're flowing. Here's a website kind of thing, looking graphic. Let's take a look. Let's plop it in here. Let's see. Let's see what we can get it to look like. Where do we want to put this in? Not downloads. Assets. Stock graphics. Let's put it there. Extract. And this is just a JPEG. Okay, good. So not to open it up anywhere. Okay, so how do you put images in here? And you just drag and drop, or what's this? Resources? Local components? Brand elements. Okay. Oh, okay, that's components. What's this? Okay, selections. Okay, let's kind of just drag it in. Okay, looks like you can. Okay, but I need to like make it way smaller. Is it gonna? Okay, let's zoom this back up. Okay. I mean, the colors are all wrong for what I want, but that could easily be changed. There's quite a few things that, well, I don't know if there's quite a few things, but things I might want to change. I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. Hero image, definitely. Move that in, something like that. Not bad. Who is this artist? Because it would like to see. Oh my goodness. Who drew this? So then I could get the exact same style. It doesn't say. It doesn't say who drew this. So what is this? I'm going to see. Because if I go here, I could see similar. Okay, yeah, it is this person. Okay, 383. So let's see if we can find the ones that are on the same kind of theme. To see if we can't find something that we like. Oh, these are some interesting icons. Colorful as well. I don't know if that's too 2015 though. More trendy. More trendy. Hello, hello. How's it going? Gorav, is that how you pronounce your name? How's it doing? How's it doing? How's it going? Or how you doing? Okay. It's nice that there's a nice collection. They're kind of the same theme. But the one that I chose, okay. I think, yeah, this is it. Okay, so there's other graphics here that might fit. But there's somebody running, taking a train. I don't know what she's doing. She's wrapped up in tape. Work in progress, you know, like project management type stuff. Yeah, maybe. Let me just, can I bookmark this? I'll just bookmark this page just in case I want to get back to it. Okay. So here's our page so far. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to grow on me or I'm going to end up hating it. We'll see. Okay, what's our next text? All right, we got a section title and a section subtitle. Let's copy that. So don't reinvent the wheel with each new website. And easily cut and paste components. Okay. So this is our H2. And then we have our subtitle. Which I really need to change. Okay. That's not wrapping. I think there was a button to make it wrap. What was that? No, that's like a layer style. Oops, what am I doing? I think I'm adding a grid. Don't want to do that. Nope, don't want that. Don't want a clip. Nope. No border radius. Oh my goodness. Did I hit the clip again? There's gotta be something. Oh, maybe it's on here. Oh, that's the button. Fixed size, right. And we're fixing size to this. Okay, and let's go to our H2 component because, excuse me, because I'm looking at this here and the line height is just too much. Just way too much. Let's try 52, still too much. 48, that's better. That is better. And this here, actually, Actually, both of these. We're going to make that into our, anyways, this is just a new section. Don't know what we'll call it yet, but we'll just put it down there. And this here is going to be, what is this going to be? We're going to make this into a component, and we'll call it subtitle. So all our subtitles are the same size, and let's design it. This is just, I don't know, subtitle text. And it's going to be not 40, maybe 24. And you're not going to be bold, you're just going to be regular. Is 24 even too big? I'm thinking maybe 22. And think of the line height. Center. Oh, what happened there? Something happened. What is this? Why is this thing so huge? Okay. Oh my goodness, I need to learn how what is Figma doing here? So this is updating the text position, right? But then out here, this is like, what? That's so weird. Like, does it need to be moved inside the box? Okay, so weird. All right. Okay, that is just freaking me out. Let's try that again. We're going to take this. What size did we have it? We had it at 22. We had it at 28. Going to be regular. We are going to adjust you. So actually, oh, right, I can set the size. So say it's going to be 600 pixels. Perfect. And I could probably do the same for this, right? 600. Make this one a little bit smaller. 600, say 500. So, and let's go both of these. Center these. Oh, that's even better. But you... This is too small. I want this on 2 lines. I mean, you know, obviously depends on the person's viewport and whether, you know, they're on desktop or whatever. But for desktop and larger, I want this all on 1 line. So let's do that. Yeah, that's not going to go either, eh? So center. Okay, what are you centering to? This one's just maybe not centered. There we go. Okay. We got, don't reinvent the wheel. Easily cut and paste components or start with our signature minimal template so you can spend less time building and more time growing your business. Okay. Good. I like that. So let's take this. And can I make that? I mean, I don't know. I wish it would just span to the element, but so let's call this subtitle text. Let's make that into a component. Excellent. So I also want to copy this subtitle, and let's move it up here. Oh, not there. Move it up into hero. I moved everything. Why did it move everything? Just you. Wait, what? Oh, right. I gotta actually move the text. Okay. Man, oh man. Confusing myself. Okay. So copy that. Paste it in there. And you're gonna go right down there. That's gonna be deleted. So this text here, you're aligning, but this should hopefully override. It's going to let me select this. There it is. Excellent. And let's make this 500, 600, yeah, 620. But if we have our hero here, so this one got all screwed up as well too, because I think, yeah, this text is all messed up. We might have to redo those headings to make it not be messed up like this. Okay. But anyways, so here's this section. Let's move this down, like way down. Okay, delete that for a second. If there's one thing that I might want to, for sure, like pay money for, it's to help someone actually, like to hire an illustrator to design custom images for me or to draw them. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if that's necessary, or maybe at the start. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Anyways. Okay. I need to just give this a little bit more breathing room. Just a little bit. Okay. And then after you scroll down, don't reinvent the wheel with each new website. Okay. This was, I think that was from a testimonial. Okay, get rid of that. So don't reinvent the wheel with each new website. And I think, where's my Word document? So, right. I think with this one, I want to have basically a screenshot of the application itself. Down below. So down below here. Let's go to this. So don't reinvent, and then there's going to be like just a browser image. So let's see if I can actually find something like this. Let's look at browser window, right? Right, something like this. Yeah, browser window, vector template. Let me just see this here. All right. Yeah, this is a nice one. So why is everything Mac? Everything's Mac. That one's not bad. What's this one? Edge. Gross. Listen, this one's got dark and light. That one's cool. That one is cool. I like minimal theme. Yeah. Cool. This one's looking good. That one's not bad. Firefox, okay. Opera. It's like super specific to the actual browser. Which one to go with? I don't want anything too fancy. What is this here? Create beautiful shots. I think that's just like a browser. That's it. Oh, that's a weird image for that. Browser mockups. Okay, it's too realistic. I think. So this actually, I think it actually provides this as the template, and then it skews the image, and then you put it on there. So you actually get this as your, like your image, which is not quite what we want. I like these ones, which are simple. You can just have your mark. Let's try, which one do we want to try? Which one did we want to try? I think this one. Yeah, so this is simple. Okay, let's download this one. Yeah, let's put it there, same spot. Extract. It says it has in Figma. So do I just double click this? Is it going to open? Maybe. Can I go in here? File. Isn't there like open? No, I'm just going to create a new one. Can I drag and drop? Drop Fig into the file browser to import them. Where's the import? I have to go into home maybe? Drop it in here. Okay. Cool. Okay. So I just want to take like the whole thing, right? So can I just copy that into here? Sort of. Group that. I'm gonna go all the way down here. Excellent. So I think that works. Is it? Yeah, it didn't scale. What, the address bar? It didn't scale the text. Which is fine for now. Okay. So that's the screenshot of the application. Once it's actually built, it'll go there and whoop. And so is this thing, I guess that's centered here. Okay, so that's going to show that's going to show the actual what's the word I'm looking for? That's going to show the application. And now we want to move over the next section, which will be for features. And we have these 3 features. So what we can do is get started on that. This is section reinvent. I don't know what to call it. And actually, let me copy it, because I can go down here. That's this one. And we'll delete that screenshot. Let's go down to this whole page. Okay, something weird just happened. What is going on? Can I could just change the height here, can I? Okay, well, what the hell? Why is this like expanding along with this? Makes no sense to me. Maybe I could lock it. Maybe I could try that. Yep, you're moving with it. Which makes no sense to me. Maybe lock this whole part. Why are you doing this? All right, let's remove this for a second. Let's make that bigger. And let's go into this browser mockup again. Oops. Let's go to the dark one here. Put that into a group. Let's copy. And paste it into the group. address bar. Let's change this. Let's just change the font because why not? Okay. Okay, don't reinvent the wheel. Blah, blah, blah. Then we have our graphic. Nice. And then is this going to... It's doing the same thing. There must be a style that's called the same thing. That's called our style or a section. Right? That's called home. Oh, that's so weird. That's so weird. Must be the background somehow. No. Wow. What is it doing? Oh, it's so weird. That's so weird. Lock this thing. Maybe not. Weird. Really weird. I don't know how to deal with that. I'm like totally at a loss. Unless, can I, you know what? Can I just take everything and just make it into like an image? Yeah, I could flatten it, right? So here is our, let's call it our browser. And now I should be okay. All right, good. Actually, but before I do that, let me change this text here. There we go. Just because. And all right, let's flatten this. What's the Control E? Let me use that so I could learn. Control E. Get used to the shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts. What is this called? It's the browser window. Okay. And is it centered? Can I move it? I don't know. Doesn't look like it. Okay, another section. Okay, now I can take some of this stuff, copy and paste. Built for creators like you. Did that not copy? Okay. So fast it'll blow your mind. Built for creators like you. Oh, what did I just do? I just gummed it all up. Oh, this is why. It's the actual... I took the actual component. So you should be... So I'll actually take you. And oops. You're going to line up there. You are going to come down. And then we could do that. Okay. Built for creators like you. And now we have the 3 different features. So we have 3 different features. We have them here. Quality, ridiculously easy, fully functional templates. So now I would like to have some nice icons to go with this. Definitely, oh my goodness, that blue jay is so loud. It sounds like it's inside the house. Built for creators like, okay, blah, blah, blah. So do we want... what kind of icons do we want? Like the 3 buckets. So let's, okay. Slow up for a second. Let's go... let's go here for a second. H3, right? Where is this one? Oh, there it is. Oh, that's right there. Oh, God. I'm used to holding down Alt. I don't know if I like this. Quality, not quantity. Is that a good size? It's not bad, actually. Let's... oh, that's not what I want. I want the text itself to be centered. I think we need to go here to do that. And then... and this is going to be... just a regular text. Well, slightly bigger. So what size is our subtext? Our subtext is, or subtitle, I should say. Did this get moved? always gets moved to the different section. Oh, this is so... it's got to be me doing something wrong because things should not be jumping from one place to the other. Okay. So where was I? Right. The size. What is the size of this text? It's 22. And the regular size is 16. So if we meet in the middle, we're at 19 pixels. 19 pixels at regular size. Oh, don't do that. Move. And what size should we do? — 400 pixels? And then let's group that into just feature. Feature text. And that's feature title. And then do we want to have, well, we definitely want to have some type of iconography. Is there anything that we know we can find? That would be good enough. I mean, I don't want to say that in terms of saying anything bad about the quality of the work. Some people here do like amazing work. But of course it's not custom, so that's why it's never exactly what it is that you're looking for when you're looking at stock images or illustrations. So quality. So I need an icon set. This is going to be hard to find. I don't think I'm going to find anything that I'm looking for. Maybe. I don't mind doodle stuff like this. This is kind of cool. Except that doesn't help. It's tech support stuff. What is this? This is not quite what I'm looking for. I think you sort by popular. Oh, this is the most popular? Okay. What is this stuff? So quality, maybe it could be like something like this. And then the other one is easy, something that's easy to use. Oof, I don't know what that would be. And then, or maybe like the cut and paste, something like this. And then fully functional. This one might not be so bad. Let's just download it. Let's see, let's just pop it in and then see what they look like. SVG. I mean, we could use these for now so we can have a look. And there are, of course, yeah, they're all going to be black. So with the SVG, I would imagine I could update them in Figma in terms of their colors. We'll see. So quality. Oh boy. No. What's the other one? Making it easy, which would be the knife. Oh, what did I just do? And fully functional templates. I don't know, this one here. So lock them at 100. Yeah. I mean, right, and at least I can update their colors. Can you add gradients? Oh, of course I can. I'm just looking at it here. So start color. That's cool, although I think I added a drop shadow, which I didn't want to do. So that's cool. We could update the colors and maybe make some nice things with these. I don't know about them. I don't know if I'm sold. I do like, there's other icons that I got. Hang on, let me see if I can find them. So I have these icons. These are the icons that I purchased. Can make them a little bit bigger. I purchased these ones for Pixel, and they're like animated icons, which are really, really cool. I really like them. They're neat. But would it make sense for these ones? Oh, let's see. Let's make another one. Okay, close. You can click closed. So that's feature. Where's this? Oh, you're all the way there. Okay, so you can go in here. And can I copy this? I want to copy this one. Move you to about here. Delete that artboard and bring you into the mix. All of this stuff should be aligned. Okay, this whole thing should be aligned, but to the middle. That's not the middle. No, I think maybe because it's feature 2, feature 1. No, it's still weird. I'm almost given up understanding how Figma handles these layers. Feature 3. Delete you. And all 3 of you guys can be aligned. Okay. Ridiculously easy. That's not spelt right. Ridiculously easy. Okay. Yep. And no, that's not right. Why did it not copy? Copy, paste, and fully functional templates. Copy, paste. Okay, I'm definitely not feeling these icons at all. So we'll have to figure something out for that. And maybe if this should be there. This knife icon is not it's not the best. Okay. And then from there, we're going to go down into our testimonials, pricing, and then the footer section. So those are the 3 last pieces to go. But I'm going to leave it there today. And then tomorrow we're going to pick right back up on this right away. And then we're going to get finished with those 3 different, those 3 next sections. Hey Ninja, how's it going? I was just signing off. Are you just joining? Thank you for joining. So I did get your message there today. So I think you're late. Yeah. Oh, I'm leaving a little bit early. Today, just because I'm just having a little bit of a kind of headache issue or what have you that's going on. So I'm just gonna rest up. But I got about halfway done, a little more than halfway done, the homepage, and I took your advice in that I wrote the content out for the homepage, and we're testing it out, and then testing out writing the content first and then designing the page. So we're halfway through the design, and then we'll finish out the design tomorrow. So yeah, so that's where we're at. So yeah, so sorry I missed out the episode. I guess you could just rewatch it, I guess, if you were so inclined. But anyways, thank you everyone. Really appreciate it. And of course, we'll be back here with a new episode tomorrow. So see you then. Have yourself a wonderful evening.